so this is the Deech family, my family. My name's Erin. Alright, so these are some group pictures of my family. We had family pictures taken about 5 or 6 years ago, but I thought that I would include some recent pictures that we have taken. This is my brother-in-law. He's married to my sister. These are their kids, my niece and nephew, Sydney and Tristan. This is my mom, and this is my dad. My mom and my dad met when my dad was in the military. He was stationed in Germany, and my mom is from Germany, still a German citizen here on green card. My sister and my brother, we were both born in Germany and then brought over to the U.S. when I was 5 years old. My brother and my sister are both older than me. My brother is 9 years older than me, and my sister is 13 years older than me. So I think that that helps me as a person because I got to see what they went through when they were my age, and I feel I'm more mature for that reason. These are my sister Nadine's and my brother-in-law Keith's kids, Sydney and Tristan. They are my kids as well. I love them to death. Sydney, she's my niece. She is my mini-me. She looks just like me. You can see it over here. And then Tristan, he was born when I was in the 3rd grade, and so him and I have a super close relationship because we've gone through a lot together. And here is a funny video of my niece, Sydney, putting on makeup just like her auntie Erin.
What?
Sydney.
What?
You look hot.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.